How do rocket stages separate so precisely? Imagine a rocket soaring through the sky, shedding weight as it climbs higher. How does each part detach perfectly without causing chaos? That's what we're about to uncover. When rockets launch, they are built with multiple stages stacked one on top of the other. Each stage has its own engines and fuel. Once a stage runs out of fuel, it needs to detach so the next stage can take over. But how do they do this without crashing into each other or throwing the rocket off course? The secret lies in smart design and careful timing. First, engineers use special devices called separation mechanisms. These include explosive bolts, clamp bands, and ball lock systems. Explosive bolts are tiny charges that releases instantly when triggered, making a quick and clean break. Clamp bands are metal rings that hold stages together tightly and releases when needed. Ball lock mechanisms use small metal balls that retract to free the stages. These devices are built to work perfectly every time, ensuring the stages come apart smoothly. Next, there are small thrusters or springs called separation impulses. These give each stage a gentle push away from the other. For example, retro rockets on the spent stage fire backward, pushing it away. Meanwhile, the next stage might have small rockets that push it forward. This push creates a small difference in speed, often about 1 meter per second or more. This speed difference makes sure the stages don't collide. It's like giving each piece a gentle nudge to keep them apart. Timing is also key. The rocket's control system makes sure the engines on the next stage ignite only after the stages are far enough apart. This prevents the engines from interfering with each other. The rocket's attitude control system quickly adjusts the rocket's orientation after separation, keeping it stable. Designing for separation also means making sure the rocket can handle the forces involved. Engineers test the systems to withstand vibrations, aerodynamic forces, and the intense acceleration during launch. They carefully plan the placement of parts so the rocket remains stable. They also calculate a safe collision space, so even if something goes wrong, the stages won't hit each other. All these pieces work together to make sure each stage detaches with precision. This process is vital for multi-stage rockets because shedding weight at just the right moment helps the rocket reach orbit efficiently. As technology advances, engineers continue to improve these systems, making stage separation safer and more reliable every time.